Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use discount codes on your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. Just choose your country and you will now be taken into the homepage. If you haven't logged into your account already, first of all log into your account using your email address and your password by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. Once you have logged in, you will be able to browse through the various different games on the PlayStation Store. When you find any game that you are interested in, you can click on it and you will then see the add to cart button. Once it has been added to your cart, before you confirm your purchase, you will see the redeem code section where you can enter your discount code if you have any. Just type in the code within the redeem code section and then click on the apply button. And now the redeem code or your discount code will be applied to your purchase right away. After completing this, you can click on the order and pay button and use your payment method to finalize the transaction. And now you will get your relevant discount while making your purchase on your PlayStation account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a discount code on your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.